If you want to understand your email marketing performance faster, Mailchimp Analytics can help you make sense of the numbers without digging through every report manually. In this video, I'm going to show you how to read Mailchimp Analytics, use Analytics AI, and ask questions in plain English so you can quickly see what's working in your campaigns. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look for the Analytics section in the left-hand menu. This is where Mailchimp groups your reporting tools, performance data, and AI-powered insights. Click on Analytics to open the Analytics dashboard. Next, select Analytics AI. This is the part of Mailchimp that lets you ask questions about your email performance instead of manually checking each metric one by one. Once Analytics AI opens, you'll see a prompt area where you can type a question about your campaigns. Now here's where it gets useful. In the Ask Anything box, you can type out a question in natural language, just like you would ask a teammate. For example, you could ask, summarize the performance of my campaigns in the last 30 days. Mailchimp will then analyze your data and generate a response based on your campaign performance. This is helpful because it saves time and makes analytics much easier to understand, especially if you don't want to sort through open rates, click rates, and other reporting metrics manually. Instead of guessing what the numbers mean, you can ask Mailchimp to explain them for you. When the result appears, read it carefully and look for patterns. Pay attention to campaign summaries, trends over time, and any metrics that stand out. If the response mentions strong open rates, low click rates, or changes in engagement, that gives you a starting point for improving your next campaign. You can also ask follow-up questions to get even more detail. For example, you might ask which subject lines perform best, which campaigns had the highest engagement, or how your last month compares to the previous one. The best way to use Mailchimp Analytics is to combine the AI's summary with your own marketing goals. If you want more traffic to a website, focus on click-through rate. If you want better audience engagement, look at open rates and overall response patterns. If you want to improve conversions, pay attention to which campaigns drive the strongest actions. Another great tip is to ask specific questions instead of broad ones. The more specific your prompt, the more useful the answer will be. So instead of asking if your email performance is good, ask something like, which campaign had the highest click rate last month? Or what patterns do you see in subscriber engagement this quarter? That usually gives you clearer insights you can act on right away. Once you get comfortable reading the summaries, you'll be able to spot what's working and what needs improvement much faster. That means better subject lines, stronger content, and smarter email marketing decisions over time. So that's how to read Mailchimp Analytics using Analytics AI and simple questions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.